Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the scrapbooking workshop Every Day You and Me, and I've got three two-page layouts for you. If it's not pre-cut from me, there are cutting instructions in here as well as assembly tips and hints for you. The optional technique in here is blending brushes with a brown ink pad. They recommend pecan pie. I used acorn. I have a separate video if you're not quite sure what to do. It came with us some stickers, and you can see these are the stickers that I had left, so you could easily change or add some message and some extra emphases as well. So we used almost all the stickers. It also came with a full sheet of paperboard shapes, leaves and flowers and hearts. And that is what we colored. You can kind of see here, colored, no, you can't really see, colored it a little darker with the ink. And here we have the 2 pages. So this is a great set. This could easily be very boyish if you took some of the flowers off, although you can certainly have greenery on a male layout. You can make an adjustment. You could flip this over. I don't know what's on the other side, but you could easily make an adjustment and make this a little bit more boyish if you want to. It's got the nice rich colors that would go well with. Anyway, so this one is just your 2 sheets of, I want to say, light side of Pretty Peacock, adding 3 strips of paper and then just decorating those. And this is a sticker, and this is also a sticker. It's a really cool sticker. It already put the 2 different papers together for you. So this is all one sticker. Really nice. And then this page is a smaller sheet on top, and then just putting 6 pieces of paper and decorating it a little bit. So nice and simple, love simple. And then adding, this is a double layered embellishment using that hardboard where the bottom layer is darkened with the blending brush, and then the lighter layer is put on top so you can see the contrast. And then some of these are darkened and some of them are darkened in places. So very nice. And then adding a few elements with your foam squares to add emphasis. Okay, page number 2. So this one uses, again, a smaller paper. Now you can decide if you love this paper, why not cut into it, and you can use that whole inside section since it gets completely covered by this other paper. It's optional to do if you want, but most of this is just layering. So getting that paper, adding this paper, putting this photo mount up on top. We've got a sticker under here and another sticker as a tag, and then adding some of those embellishments. And on this page, it's 1 piece of paper going this way and another column here, and then decorating on top of that with 2 squares and a larger square. Again, with the single sticker that looks like 2 stickers, just to make it easier. If you don't want to do that, you could easily slice it down the middle and use it on 2 different projects. And then adding some of the other stickers for embellishments, and then sometimes adding color and sometimes not adding color. So that is layout number 2. And finally, layout 3. This is a super fun technique because it uses this piece is cut out, die cut out of this piece. So you can use this whole sheet on this layout 2 different ways. Very cool. So the inside and the outside. Again, if you really like this paper, just kind of cut it smaller than that and save it. This one, make sure that you put these decorative papers down before you add the frame because they are under it. And then add some stickers, add your greenery, add your embellishments with and without extra coloring. But super simple, very pretty. And thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!